your parents. This shit hot, boy.
She know me, she don't know me. Limousine riding, pulled up in a Corvette, that's the perfect whip to die in. She say she love me, but I know the bitch rolling up a pint of the codeine. Shawty said she know me, she don't know me. Limousine riding, pulled up in a Corvette, that's the perfect whip to die in. She say she love me, but I know the bitch lying. Whip
what you want, bitch, I'm a fucking phenomenon.
Yo, Parrish, this shit hot, boy. Rolling off a blind to the codeine. The shawty says she know me, she don't know me. Limousine riding, pulled up in a Corvette, that's a perfect with the diet. She says she love me, but I know the bitch. Rolling off a blind to the codeine. The shawty says she know me, she don't know me. Limousine riding, pulled up in a Corvette, that's a perfect with the diet. She says she love me, but I know the bitch lying. Whip ain't fast enough. You talk too much.
But I'm just getting started. My eyes on the target. Nah, nah. You're the better ones, you can't go. To give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty.
Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south. I'll be spreading out, call it word of mouth, can't put me down, I'll be getting loud. You can have your doubts, not what I'm about, have your f***ing cloud, it be raining now. I keep making sound, go another round, I'm legend bound, can't stop me now.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Cause I just wanna hear it out your mouth, yeah. Give me fuel, it's a tool that I use to go ahead and run my mouth, yeah. I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. That's how you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them? Face it, I don't give up quick, I don't give up shit, I won't give up this. Cause I know that I want it, know that I'm on it, I'll make it, I promise.
You don't wanna fuck with me. A slow burn like a disease. Just tell me that I can and I'll show you things that you couldn't believe. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can. Just tell me that I can.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, fitter than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never had a lot of shit come easy. Never gonna look back, hard struggle just to be damn, I was built to last. Had to rise up, just slow when I move fast. Did what I had to do just to only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. All you think you gotta work, that's what it takes. Take it to your hands, a plan. Your own hands can land your own brand. And damn, I feel like no one takes accountability. They want the credibility, convincingly I'm willing to put in the hours it takes to get some power. Don't be f***ing sour, take a cold shower. Scream until you're louder, work until you're prouder. All the doubters, they're just young doubters. I do what's right, I swear to God they don't let me down. Always stand by, I'm grinning, just to wear the crown. Real deep in, bruise the scar, I had to work out a thing. With my head not hard, I'm being chewed up, spit out, torn apart. Picking up all the pieces is a form of art. It's never gonna look back, cause damn, I was built to last till they hear me now. Slow when I move fast, I won't stop till I wear the crown. Only I can make a change, slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes. Let's go. I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen when everybody wants to begin. Yeah, they all wanna win, yeah, we all wanna be free. So show me what you got, what you bring. How you fight in the ring, how you take a f***ing swing. Do you got heart, are you mean? Got some scars, got some names, are you willing to go clean? I swear to God they all let me down. I always fought just to wear the crown. I've been f***ed off with these f***ing clowns. Overall taught they deserve an ounce. It's only worth it if you work for it. It's only worth it if you work for it. I won't stop till they hear me now. I won't stop till I wear the crown.